hangover pa ko, Diyos ko.
Ang tagay na di may lagay.
Ay, nasakit pa mong pipi. Kabanha ka. Hangover pa ka! Parawa mo mga ikanta! Ginoo ko! I can hear you. Far away. Some look for trouble, while others a thousand reasons I should go about my day and ignore your whisper, which I wish would go away. Oh.
Ako asyik patagay na may sibatasin kayo.
You're not a voice, you're just ringing in my ear. And if I heard you, which I do, everyone I've ever loved is here in these walls. I'm sorry, secret siren, but I'm blocking on your call. Had my adventure when I urged to take the peak. I've never had to urge, but I follow you into the unknown. Into the unknown. Into the unknown. Into the unknown. What do you want? Wala ko'y kwarta. Are you here to distract me? So make a big mistake. What a burst. Or are you someone who would like me? Now still I'm not where I want to be. Every day a little hard as I feel my powers grow. Don't you know ang utang mo gidaganan mo into the unknown, into the unknown.